Seedance 2.5 is one of the most powerful AI video models available right now. But there's a problem. It's expensive. And every time you search for a way to use Seedance 2.5 for free, you end up finding fake websites, broken methods, or something that simply doesn't work. Well, I found a method that actually works. You can generate a real Seedance 2.5 video for free, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it. No complicated setup. No paid subscription. Alright, let's see how it works. First, go to Google and search for Dola AI. From the search results, open the official Dola AI website. You'll also find the direct link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Now log in to your account. You'll find the login option in the corner. Use your Google account or any of the other available options to log in. After logging in, you'll see a very simple interface. On the left side, you've got options like New Chat, AI Creation, Bots, and Agents. At the bottom, you'll also see different tools for video, images, writing, translation, and more. But we're only interested in one thing: video generation. Click on Create Video. Now you'll see the available video models. And right here, you'll find Dreamina Seedance 2.5. You can generate videos up to 10 seconds long, with different aspect ratio options. Now, let's create a video using the Seedance 2.5 model. First, you can upload a character image, reference image, or story image to guide your video. Simply click the plus icon and upload your image. Next, go to the prompt box and describe exactly what you want your video to look like. Once your image and prompt are ready, select the Seedance 2.5 model. Then, choose your preferred aspect ratio and set the video duration. Finally, click Generate and Seedance 2.5 will create your video based on your image and prompt. As you can see, the video is ready. Now, let's play it and see the result. I've also added all the video prompts I used in this tutorial to the description box. So, when you want to try the same prompts yourself, just check the description and copy them from there. But there's something important you need to know. Dola gives you 4 points per day, and one Seedance 2.5 generation uses all 4 points. So here you can generate one video per day. So you can use multiple accounts to generate more videos. Just make sure you follow Dola's account rules and terms. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials and free tools.